This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Hunter Krim. New construction home in a new up-and-coming neighborhood in Lynden. 4 bedrooms, 2.25 bathrooms, and 2,090 square feet. Open floor plan, kitchen with large island, pantry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and vaulted ceilings. Living room features a great gas fireplace with shiplap all the way up to the vaulted ceiling. Master bedroom on main floor with large walk-in closet and large master bathroom with tiled shower. Remaining bedrooms are upstairs, and bedroom over the master could serve as a bonus room. Don't forget there are solar panels to help you out on that electric bill. House is currently under construction but will be complete by August 1st. For more information, review the details below or contact Hunter Krim at 360-734-7500.